Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete Instagram account permanently, simple steps step by step clearly. To delete your Instagram account permanently, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device or visit the Instagram website on your computer. If you are using the app, make sure you are logged into the account you want to delete. Next, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. For desktop users, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab and click on it. Next, you need to find the Delete Your Account option. This option may be found toward the bottom of the page in the app. If you're on a web browser, you may need to visit the Help Center to find the direct link to delete your account. Now, after locating the Delete Your Account option, click on it. You will be prompted to select a reason for deleting your account from a drop-down menu. Choose the reason that fits your situation best. After selecting your reason, you will need to re-enter your password for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, you will see the option to delete your account permanently. Review any final warnings that Instagram provides before proceeding. If you are sure you want to delete your account, click on the Final Confirmation button. Your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated the process to delete your Instagram account permanently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.